All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo just received. And this video is brought to us by Twinkies, but not just any Twinkies. Those are banana Twinkies. Probably the best they make. And another sponsor is Elijah Craig. Great friend of one of the James Bonds. I'm not sure which one. But this is the small batch Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey, and I believe that is 94 proof. Let's see if we can get that in closer. Yep, 94 proof. That stuff's pretty smooth. So let's take a look at the Zippo, which is actually a special Zippo. Now it comes to us in the double boxed presentation, and the end cap has the barcode and it says I Spy Zippo design, and it does have the inner normal black box. Same label on the little black box, I Spy Zippo design, and it has the idiotic P65 warning. This was made in Bradford, PA, and it is a genuine Zippo made in the USA. So let's take a look at this. And this is a premium. As you can see there on the bottom, it says premium. And it has these little mirrors. It's got 4 little mirrors. One on top, one on both sides. No, it's only got 3 mirrors. Top and sides, so you can see the Zippo a little bit better when it's in the box. So this is the I Spy because there are all kinds of Zippo symbols on it. First thing we see is the Zippo flints. And I just happen to have a few of those. Those are Zippo flints. There's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra flints in each little plastic wheel. And let's see, there's a stack of Zippos there. You can see there's 3 of them. This thing right here is a candle lighter. I don't have one of those. And on the side there is the Windy Girl. And I have several Zippos with her on it. Here's a couple. Here's one. It's a pretty nice one. Here's another one. I have a few of those. And around to the back side there's a wick sticking up right there. I have a few wicks. I don't think I've ever changed a Zippo wick. It's easy to do. Zippo wick. And let's see, there's the little Zippo car. It's got 2 Zippos attached to it. And there is a Zippo lit lighter. There's the Zippo logo on top there. Not much else on that side, and brings us back to the beginning. And this Zippo is made in, looks like E of 21. I believe that's May. Got some really good stampings on it. Made in the USA. You can see that. Bradford, PA. And it's got a steel insert. Lights up real nice. This one has a really nice fitment. It's really tight. It's got a good sound. Let's do a drop test on this Premium Zippo. It bounced a little bit, but it stayed lit. I'll drop it again, do another drop. There we go. Zippo passes the drop test once again. This is a Premium Zippo with lots of little Zippo figures all around. The finish is really slippery, but that is one of the better Zippos. At least it's a Premium Zippo. And that, I believe, deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.